Hello everyone and welcome to Ocean Interaction, your go-to channel for all things games and game development. We cover everything from the latest games and gaming news to in-depth game development insights. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our new and exciting series, What is in Unreal Engine? This series is a comprehensive exploration of the incredible tools, functionalities, and features available in Unreal Engine. We'll break it down and demonstrate how it all works using blueprints and C++ examples. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced user diving into programming with C++, we've got you covered. Now, you might be wondering about the prerequisites. Don't worry, if you're new to game development, I'll guide you through every step. We have beginner-friendly tutorials that cover everything from the basics to advanced levels, making sure you feel at ease regardless of your experience. So, let's dive into what is in Unreal Engine, where creativity meets technology. I want you to understand every aspect of this journey, so feel free to ask questions, and I'll address them along the way. Before we proceed, I'd like to share a request. Creating these videos involves a lot of time and effort, from scripting to recording, editing, and maintaining. It's all aimed at providing this educational content to you, the community. Your support means a lot, so please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your friends. It truly motivates me to create more content for you. Lastly, I invite you to connect with us on Discord and Twitter using the links in the description. If you have questions or need assistance, I'm active and available there. Let's build a strong community where we learn and grow together. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate all the wonderful people who make this journey meaningful. Stay tuned for more exciting content right here on Ocean Interaction. Until the next video, where we delve deeper into the specifics of Unreal Engine, like the various available variable types, take care and see you soon. Goodbye.